Hey everyone, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm having another go at modeling the character Blitzcrank from the game League of Legends. In my last video, I tried modeling Blitz and it turned out alright, but my main issue was with the reference image I was using. And so in this video, I'm literally using a reference image from the game. That way I can create a low-res model in a similar style as the actual game. Now the reason why I'm modeling Blitzcrank is to show you all of the steps required in order to create a polished game mechanic. And the game mechanic that I'm currently focused on is a chain pull mechanic which can be found in several video games, including League of Legends, Dota, and Overwatch. Now one part of creating a polished game mechanic is having the assets required for that game mechanic. And so in this instance, we need a character model for our chain pull mechanic. Now this time around, it didn't take me nearly as long to create Blitz. He's much more low poly and actually looks like the character from the game. This time I was able to focus on more of those minor details that I was missing from the first time, such as the tubing and some of the spikes on his shoulders. In the next few videos, I'll be focusing on UV unwrapping and texturing this model, rigging Blitz, and creating a few basic animations. Once that's done, I'll be able to add this model to my Unity project and show you how to create a chain pull mechanic. And there he is. And this time around, I'm quite pleased with this low poly model of Blitzcrank from League of Legends. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions or suggestions, leave them in the comments below. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel so you can be up to date whenever I publish new videos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.